Welcome to Stor Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The msi Codex R2i gaming desktop represents a modern approach to pre-built systems by combining specialized hardware designed for both traditional gaming and the growing field of artificial intelligence applications. This specific model is built to serve as a high-performance hub that balances speed with a large amount of storage and contemporary connectivity. It arrives as a complete package intended to simplify the process of acquiring a high-end computer by providing all necessary components in a single black chassis that is ready to operate right out of the box. By utilizing the latest generation of internal parts, this system is positioned to handle the increasing demands of modern software and high-definition media without the need for immediate upgrades. The build and design of this desktop focus on a blend of thermal management and visual customization. The black mid-tower case is designed with a clear emphasis on airflow, which is essential for maintaining the stability of the high-performance parts inside. It features a cooling system equipped with RGB lighting, which serves two purposes by providing a customizable aesthetic and helping to dissipate the heat generated during intensive tasks. The internal layout is organized to ensure that air can move freely from the intake fans across the processor and graphics card before being exhausted out of the rear and top of the case. This physical design is complemented by a unique storage configuration that includes a dedicated docking station. This docking station provides a physical point of interaction for expanding storage capabilities beyond the internal drive bays. The overall footprint of the machine is standard for a mid-tower desktop, allowing it to fit onto most desks while still providing enough internal volume for the components to breathe. The inclusion of a keyboard and mouse in the box further emphasizes the focus on a complete out-of-the-box experience where the physical setup is as straightforward as possible. Performance is driven by a combination of high-speed processing and advanced graphics memory. The heart of this system is the Intel Core Ultra 7 265 processor. This chip features 20 cores, which is a significant number that allows the computer to handle a vast array of tasks at the same time. This matters because modern applications are increasingly designed to spread their workload across multiple cores. When a processor has 20 cores, it can dedicate specific resources to a high-end game while simultaneously running background processes like video encoding or complex eye calculations. This results in a system that feels consistently fast and responsive regardless of how many programs are open. The transition to the Ultra branding for this processor also indicates an architecture that is better optimized for efficiency and power management compared to older generations. The graphical capabilities are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, which features 8GB of GDDR7 memory. This is a notable inclusion because GDDR7 is the latest standard in video memory, offering significantly higher bandwidth than previous versions. High bandwidth is crucial because it determines how quickly the graphics card can transfer data to and from the processor. This speed directly impacts the smoothness of animations and the ability of the system to render complex textures in real time. For anyone focused on visual fidelity, the inclusion of this specific card means that the system can support advanced features like ray tracing and eye-driven image upscaling. These technologies allow the computer to produce realistic lighting effects and higher frame rates by using artificial intelligence to predict and draw pixels, which reduces the actual rendering load on the hardware. This makes the RTX 5060 a vital component for ensuring that the system remains relevant as new games and software become more graphically demanding. The supporting hardware further enhances the overall performance profile. With 32GB of DDR5 memory, the system has a large amount of fast access space for the operating system and active programs. DDR5 represents a step up in speed and data integrity over older memory standards, which is particularly important for high-resolution video editing and large-scale gaming. This amount of memory ensures that the system will not experience slowdowns when multiple demanding applications are used together. For storage, the desktop offers a total of 3 TB, which is a generous amount for a modern system. This is divided into a 2 TB solid-state drive and a 1 TB docking station. The solid-state drive is the primary storage area and is responsible for the rapid boot times and quick loading of software. Because it has no moving parts, it can access data almost instantly, which makes the entire computing experience feel much faster. The additional terabyte provided by the docking station offers a practical solution for storing large media libraries or backups without filling up the high-speed system drive. Connectivity is another area where the msi Codex R2 aims to provide a modern experience. It includes Wi-Fi 6E, which is the latest standard for wireless internet. This technology allows the computer to access the 6 GHz band, which is less crowded than the older 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. This results in more stable connections with lower latency, which is a critical factor for online interactions and downloading large files. The system also comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, which is optimized to take advantage of the specific hardware features found in the Core Ultra processor and the RTX graphics card. This integration ensures that the software can intelligently manage how the hardware resources are used to provide the best possible performance for each task. This desktop is best suited for a variety of individuals who need a reliable and powerful machine without the complexity of building one themselves. It is an excellent choice for content creators who work with high-resolution video or three-dimensional rendering because the 20-core processor and 32 GB of RAM provide the necessary overhead for these intensive tasks. It is also well suited for anyone interested in exploring the capabilities of artificial intelligence, as the specific hardware configuration is designed to handle AI workloads efficiently. Gamers who want a system that can play the latest titles at high settings with modern features like ray tracing will find the RTX 5060 with GDDR7 to be a significant asset. Additionally, the large storage capacity makes it a good option for people who have large collections of games or media and want a single device that can house everything in one place. When considering the overall value of this system, it is important to look at the combination of latest generation parts and the convenience of a pre-built configuration. Priced at approximately $1,569 at the time of writing, it represents a significant investment that is aimed at those who want a high level of performance and a long lifespan for their computer. The balance of a high core count processor with a forward-looking graphics card and ample memory creates a platform that is capable of handling current needs while being prepared for future software developments. While it offers more power than a casual user might need for web browsing or office work, its strengths in high-end computing and media production make it a versatile tool. The inclusion of a large 3 TB storage solution and the latest wireless connectivity standards ensures that the machine is well-rounded and ready for a wide range of professional and recreational uses. It stands as a robust example of how modern desktops are evolving to meet the demands of an increasingly digital and AI-driven world. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.